Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Battery above 20%, case off, and you have your lock PIN and Google account info. Once done, try a simple reboot. Press and hold power until the menu appears, then tap Restart. This works because safe mode is a temporary boot state. Restarting forces a normal boot sequence. If restart is unavailable, power off completely, wait 10 seconds, and power on. Make sure to watch the screen during boot for safe mode text at a corner. Once the phone boots, check whether safe mode text remains in a corner. If it does, you need to diagnose causes. Start by uninstalling the most recently installed or suspicious apps, since third-party apps often force safe mode when crashing at boot. Make sure to reboot after each uninstall to test. Also examine the hardware. A stuck volume button can trigger safe mode. Press and release both volume keys several times and clean around buttons. This combination of software and hardware checks isolates the root cause. If uninstalling apps and clearing button issues fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset from settings or recovery. This removes persistent software faults causing safe mode. Once done, set up your account and reinstall apps selectively to avoid reinstalling the culprit. If safe mode still appears, reflash the stock firmware or seek a service center. Software corruption or hardware faults may require professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: always test in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.